Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a yellow brick road. First, you must envision the destination for your magical journey. Select a path that truly inspires joy and wonder. Next, gather your materials, specifically 1,000 bricks, each radiating a brilliant golden hue. These bricks should measure precisely 8 inches in length and 4 inches in width, ready for their grand purpose. Now, with your path chosen and bricks ready, prepare the ground. Ensure the foundation is perfectly smooth and level, about 3 inches deep. Begin laying your golden bricks in a classic running bond pattern, which provides maximum stability. Apply a unique, shimmering golden mortar between each brick, ensuring a strong, enduring bond that will withstand many adventures. Once all your bricks are securely in place, it's time for the magical finishing touches. Carefully fill any remaining gaps between the bricks with a generous amount of fine, sparkling gold dust. Then, take a soft cloth and polish each individual brick until it gleams with a brilliant, reflective shine. Finally, apply a clear, protective sealant to preserve its luster and ensure its longevity. Congratulations! Your magnificent yellow brick road is now complete and ready for its grand debut. Take your first steps with a heart full of joy and anticipation, knowing this path leads to wonderful discoveries. To keep its magic alive, give it a gentle polish once a week. Share the wonder of your golden path, inviting others to experience its unique charm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.